Hello everyone. Welcome to this talk. Today we are going to speak about a very important topic, how to improve your English. Many people want to speak English well, but they feel shy, scared, or confused about where to start. Don't worry, my friends, English is not just for smart people or native speakers. You can learn it too. With the right method, daily practice, and a positive mind, anyone can improve their English. So let's begin this journey together. Before we start learning, you must first believe in yourself. Many people say, "My English is bad. I can't speak like others. People will laugh at me." These thoughts stop you from improving. Remember this, every expert was once a beginner. No one was born speaking English. They learned it step by step, word by word. So be proud of every small progress you make. Even one new English word a day is a big win. To improve English, don't study only in your class or school. Bring English into your daily life. Here are some easy ways. Change your phone language to English. Watch English movies or YouTube videos with subtitles. Listen to English songs or podcasts while walking or traveling. Think in English, for example, when you see something, say in your mind, "This is a beautiful flower. I am drinking tea." When English becomes part of your daily routine, your brain will start learning it naturally. One powerful way to improve your speaking is the shadowing technique. It means you listen to a native English speaker and repeat exactly what they say, like a shadow following them. Steps. Choose a short video or audio in English. Listen carefully to one sentence. Repeat it immediately, copy the sound, tone, and speed. Practice again and again. This method improves your pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. It's like training your tongue and ears to speak naturally. You can't learn to swim without water, the same goes for speaking English. Try these simple ways. Speak with your friends in English. Talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Record your voice and listen to it. Join online English groups or communities. Don't worry about mistakes, mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. So don't be silent, speak more. To speak better, you need more words. But don't try to memorize 100 words a day. Learn slowly and use the words in real life. Here's how. Learn 5-10 new words every day. Make small sentences with them. Review them often. For example, if you learn the word brave, say, "I want to be brave like a lion." Simple practice helps you remember new words forever. Reading is a great way to grow your English naturally. Start with easy books, stories, or articles. Even reading your favorite topic, travel, cooking, motivation, can help a lot. While reading, note down new words. Check their meanings. Try to use those words when you speak. Reading helps you understand grammar and sentence structure without hard study. Many people fear grammar, but grammar is not your enemy. Don't try to memorize all rules at once. Learn grammar through examples and practice. For example, instead of studying present continuous tense, just learn by saying, "I am eating, I am talking, I am learning English." This way you will start to feel grammar, not just remember it. Learning English is like planting a tree. You can't get fruits in one day. But if you water it every day, it will grow strong. So practice daily, even for 10 minutes. Never give up. Your small daily efforts will create big results one day. Finally, remember, learning English should be fun, not stressful. Enjoy the process. Celebrate your progress. Smile when you speak. Watch funny English videos, sing songs, play word games. The more you enjoy English, the faster you'll learn it. So my friends, let's remember what we learned today. 1. Believe in yourself. 2. Make English part of your life. 3. Listen and repeat every day. 4. Speak without fear. 5. Grow your vocabulary. 6. Read regularly. 7. Learn grammar naturally. 8. Be consistent and patient. 9. Stay positive and enjoy learning. If you do these things every day, your English will definitely improve. You don't need to be perfect, just better than yesterday. Thank you for listening. I believe in you, you can do it. Keep learning, keep growing, and one day you'll speak English confidently and beautifully.